this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. We're making a training, coaching, educational video. Boy, that's a lot, isn't it? That's a lot in one video. Holy cow. Anyway, we're taking a look here at Tesla. Just a background for you, something to consider. Every price and volume bar talks. Some bars are more important than others. And it's important to take a look at daily charts and weekly charts to see patterns. And note that every price bar and volume bar is a reflection of people's decisions. And part of decision making is emotions. So we're going to go through this, and this is very simple. It's a very simple pattern, but it is one that is extremely reliable. I have used this pattern for years, and it works. Now, I'm going to tell you it works every time. Nothing works every time. The cup and the handle fails. Bill O'Neill talks about it. Why? If they never did fail, why would he ever talk about limiting losses? And he's one of my heroes. I really respect it. So we're going to take a look at a simple pattern. It's called the higher low. This is a day chart on Tesla. It drops down, rallies back up, and it falls. But note something. Study the price bars, study the volume bars. Right here. Down on heavy volume, down on heavy volume, down on above average volume, but still heavier than average. You see this? And then it starts to rally. No real volume here, so there's no real power. And what does it do? It starts to fall again. Note this bar. It fell and it reversed up on a slight pickup in volume. Then it reverses down and it falls. And then note this bar. It gaps down and it falls on a slight pickup in volume. And then it falls on this bar. But there's a bigger picture view here, and it's just a higher low. What is it? This low is higher than this low. That's pretty good, isn't it? There you go. Again, this low is higher than this low. What would we be looking for? We'd like it to fall and reverse or take out the highs of this bar. Advance it one day, just one day. Oh, it falls. It falls. Average daily volume, it falls. But this low is still higher than this low. Advance it one day. Oh, look. It gaps down, it falls, it takes out the lows of this bar, and I'll do this for you. Let's make it bigger. Isn't that neat? The joys of modern technology. It falls, it drops. You can see the open, gaps down, and it doesn't need to gap down, but it falls below the previous day, and then it reverses back up. And it does it on a pickup in volume. That can be a higher low trigger. I alerted this to members, and some VIPs bought this yesterday as it was moving through here. And again, it's just a higher low pattern. Here's the beauty of it. You have limited risk. Why? If it takes out the lows of this bar, you sell it for a very small loss. But if it continues, oh, you're in good shape. That's a simple higher low with a pickup in volume. Just study that, especially this bar right here. And then you advance it one day. And this is the payoff. It gaps up, pulls back a hair, and lifts off. Those that bought it, taking out right here, taking out the highs of this bar, high on this bar, just to let you know, is 616.48. Okay? So they buy it for 617 or so, 618. 618, and it goes up to 668, basically. Okay? How much is that, folks? That's good money is what it is. From 618 to 668, that's 50 points just from yesterday. They're in great shape. Is it going to continue tomorrow? I don't know. But I do know that a higher low pattern is a highly profitable pattern, a highly predictable pattern. So VIPs bought this and they're in good shape. Maybe it'll follow through tomorrow. It's done it before. Many stocks do this. And again, it's simple. This low is higher than this low. And it gapped down, not that it needs to gap down. It falls, it takes out the previous bar's lows, falls down, and goes back up and takes out the previous bar's highs. Right there. Boom, chakalaka, in. You see what happens. That's the higher low. I just wanted to go through it nice and slow. It's what we do in Mission Winners. We don't just give ideas. We educate on why things happen. To know that 2 plus 2 equal 4 is knowledge, but to know why 2 plus 2 equal 4 is knowledge that is transferable to other situations. And now by listening to this, you have a firm understanding of the higher-low setup and can apply it. That's what we do in Mission Winners.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.